Welcome to the new and exciting world of Mercury 3. Guess what? No more classic RMS, no more need for Internet Explorer configured just the right way. Simply log into Mercury at mercury.uncg.edu on your favorite web browser, whichever one. If you do have issues with the browser, try another before calling IT. Mercury 3 is drastically different than Classic in that you only see what functions you have permission to see. So for example, you may not see everything here. This design will allow you to utilize Mercury efficiently since you only see what you need to see and not the whole package. So let's start with the home menu. Again, you may not see all of these things when you log into Mercury, as it's customized to fit your specific needs. And remember, things may change as we transition processes to Mercury to better utilize the system. Mercury 3 is made up of 4 different types of features: templates, dynamic list, operations, and reports. Templates. If you use Mercury 2, you should be familiar with templates. For example, the check-in template you use to update the check-in field when a student arrives on campus. However, instead of going to Manage Templates and viewing all the templates, templates are scattered in the home menu and in the dynamic list, and you only see the ones you have permissions for. Let's look at the check-in template. Once you click on it from the home menu, it takes you to the page to enter the student's ID and run the template. Note, you can still search by student name by clicking on the binoculars like in Mercury 2. Once you've completed the template, simply click the template from the home menu and you're ready to check in the next student. Dynamic list. To look up information or run operations for one or more people, you will use a dynamic list. It's important to understand the type of list so that you can pull information accurately. For example, the people list is a good place to start if you're looking up information on a student because this list will pull up any student. If you want to look up a student's assignment history or a list of students assigned at a particular time, you would use the assignment list. You can go straight to the assignment list or access it from the people list for a particular student. Let's look at the assignment list. To pull up a student's assignment history, simply enter their name or ID and click Show Me List. If the student has ever lived on campus, then their assignments will populate. If you want to search for a select group of students assigned at a particular time, you would use the living area selection. Select the community, building, room, or even bed space you want to search and the date you are wanting to search on. Since this pulls all assignments, it will also pull closures. To ensure you only get student data, add the advanced selection filter of MB bed space bookings only. From the list, you can select students and run operations for all using actions for selected. You can run templates, operations, or even another dynamic list for individual students by using I want to. Next, operations. I've mentioned operations several times. Let me explain what they are. Operations are similar to templates, but they have a specialized purpose. One of the more popular operations you will see is the batch correspondence. To use the batch correspondence operation, you select the students you want to send the message to, and under Actions for Selected, click Batch Correspondence. Select people and OK. Conditional emails are complex and not needed if you want the email to go to everyone you selected. So instead, click on Add No Condition Met Email. Next, click on the envelope with the green plus sign. You can either copy email settings from a preset email or write your own. Once you're ready to send, click OK, then run operation. Lastly, reports. On the home menu, you will see a Reports tab. Again, you will only see reports you have permissions for. As Mercury is utilized more over time, you may see or request reports to be added. The home menu is totally customizable and will change over time, but you will always see only what you have permissions to see. For example, if you don't use the application data, that tab will not be on your home menu. I hope you are now a little more knowledgeable on Mercury 3. If you have specific questions or suggestions on utilizing the Mercury 3 features, please talk to me, Emily, and let's see if we can make it happen. Thanks for watching.